If you want to add multiple pictures to your PowerPoint slide in just a few clicks, then PowerPoint will create a new presentation with each photo on a separate slide. Perfect if you are building a photo slideshow. So how you can do that? Let's get started. So first go to the insert and click on the photo album. Click on the new photo album. And here you need to click on the file disk. And now find all the pictures which you want to insert. Control A to select all pictures and click insert. So in the album layout, you need to select this drop down menu and select which type of album you want to make. If you want to make one picture on one slide, then select this option, one picture. And if you select two pictures on one slide, then select this option and four picture. And if you want to one picture with title, so you can also select this option. So right now I'm selecting one picture, and here in the frame shape you need to drop down this menu, and you can also select rounded rectangle shape, and you can in the preview there is the rounded shape, and this is the simple white frame, and this is the simple black frame, and this is the compound frame black. So I'll be choosing this one. And if you want to select any theme apply on your photo album, you can just browse it and select your theme. Right now I'm selecting this one. I do have this. Click select and now create, and let's magic will happen in just a few clicks. And this is what you can see, that this is the main slide and this is the second slide, this is the third slide, fourth slide, and you can see also the frame over every picture. So in this way you can import many pictures in just a few clicks. So I hope you understand the process. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.